The first chapter of the mathematics of class 8, that is rational numbers. First, we know that what are rational numbers. Any number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, is known as rational number. Examples are, we can take many examples: natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Any number which is in the form of P by Q are example of rational number. For example, 5. 5 is a rational number because it has 1 in its denominator hidden in it. That is 5 by 1 minus 3 by 7. It is a negative rational number or negative fraction. 7 by 20, 0 by 5, etc. Now we will move to the properties of rational numbers. First property is closure property. What closure property says? When operation of a particular type of rational number, operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these are said to be operation. When operation of a particular type of rational number gives the same type of rational number, that means if we are adding whole numbers, 0 and 5 are whole numbers, we are getting a 5 number which is a whole number. We are adding a fraction with a fraction, we are getting 4 by 2. It is 1 by 2 and 3 by 2, we are getting 4 by 2. Solve it in rough. Okay, so it is satisfying all the values. That means addition of a rational number verifies closure property, so it is closed. Now subtraction. When we are subtracting, here we have taken example 3 and 7. When we are subtracting 3 and 7, which are natural numbers and positive natural numbers or whole numbers, but it is giving a negative number, so it is not satisfying closure property, not closed. In the case of multiplication, we are multiplying 4 and 5, which gives us 20. 4 and 5 are whole numbers which are giving a whole number. 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 multiplied, it gets 1 by 2. How? 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 3 and 3 cancel each other, so 1 by 2. It is also a fraction, so it is a closed. That means following closure property. Now in the case of division, 3 and 5 are natural number or whole number. When divided, it is giving a fraction, so it is not closed. This is all about closure property. Now commutative property. Commutative property, when operations of two rational numbers gives the same value by interchanging places of rational numbers. When we will interchange the places, how देखते हैं हम लोग कैसे इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं एग्जांपल्स में. सपोज यहाँ पर कुछ एग्जांपल्स लिए हैं रैशनल नंबर्स के. ऑपरेशंस है. व्हाट आर द ऑपरेशंस? ऑपरेशंस आर एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, multiplication and division. When we will add a rational number to another rational number, that is 1 by 5 is added to 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is again added to 1 by 5, in both cases we will get the equal value. We will check it in rough. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 what value it will give? 5 and 5 LCM is 5. 5 and 5 LCM is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 upon 5. So we are getting here 3 by 5, and when we will add 2 by 5 to 1 by 5, we will get the same answer. 5 is the LCM. Here 2 plus 1, 3 by 5. So this and this are equal to each other, hence they follow commutative property. Addition is commutative, but in the case of subtraction it will not follow. So subtraction is not commutative. You may check it by yourself. Not commutative. In the case of multiplication, 1 by 5 into 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5 into 1 by 5. Check it by yourself. It will also follow. So multiplication is commutative. Now associative property. When operations of 3 rational numbers, there we were taking 2, here we will take 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers give the same value by interchanging places of rational numbers. This is said to be to follow एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. वो एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो करता है. हम लोग एग्जांपल्स देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीज़न का. एडिशन में ये इंटीजर्स लिए, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स और पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स वी हैव टेकन. व्हेन वी विल डू द एडिशन, आई एम शोइंग यू इन रफ. One I had left here, division 1 in the case of commutative. The value of division of 2 rational number will not give equal value when we interchange their places, so this is not commutative. Now here associative property. Associative property, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In the same way, addition and multiplication will follow associative property, and subtraction and division will not follow associative property. We will see how. We will take one example from this and one from this, and remaining you will try by yourself. So I am taking the example -2 and 3 and -4 are taken together. When we will add -2 here, 3 and -4 will give -1. -2 and -1 added together, it will give -3. And in this one was LHS, and RHS is -2 and 3 are added together, and -4 differently. We will get -2 and 3 will give 1, and it will add it to -4, it will give -3. Both value are equal, so it follow associative property. Associative addition is associative. In the similar way, I don't have maximum time, much time, so I am not showing all by doing. You will try it by yourself. In the subtraction it will not follow, so it is not associative. Multiplication will be associative. When we will multiply these two together and this one differently, and these two together, this one differently, the value will be equal in both the cases, so multiplication is associative. And in the case of division, it will not follow. You can check it by yourself. So division is not associative. Now next property. Next property is identity element. What is identity element? A rational number, when operated to a given number, brings no change in the rational number. That particular number is said to be identity element. For 0 is an identity element, 1 is an identity element. 0 is said to be an additive identity. Why it is said to be additive identity? Suppose a number I have taken -5. when 0 is added to it, it will give what? It will give -5. So it is giving the original number once again. Another example, 3/4, when 0 is added to it, the answer will be 3/4. So additive identity of a number is 0. Now 1 is multiplicative identity. How 1 is multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity means when we will multiply a number by 1, the answer will be the same number. Suppose 5/7 is a rational number. When it is multiplied by 1, the result is 5/7. So 1 does not changes the value of 5/7 when multiplied by it. Now next property is additive